Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to show you how I cut straight across bangs into my wigs. This wig is Epic Cosplay's NYX in Purple Black Fusion. It's a really pretty wig. This is actually my first wig from Epic Cosplay and it's super silky and soft and I like it a lot. Anyways, I'm just pinning back the side pieces of hair that I won't be cutting. When cutting bangs, ideally you want them to end up between the peaks of your eyebrows. So I'm blocking out a triangle section in between my eyebrows. I'm going to cut them a little bit longer than I intend for them to be afterwards. So right about where this is in between my eyes, and after I get done styling them, hopefully they'll be right about my eyebrows. Yeah, okay. So to cut your bangs, you're going to need some scissors. And then the first step is to just cut your bangs. Yep, just chop them off. Yep, just like that, and we're done. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. So after chopping off some length, I'm just going back in and cleaning up the initial cut. I don't have to worry about this being too perfect because I'm going to go for that scattered, choppy bang look. But if you want blunt, straight across bangs, you could honestly just stop after the first cut. I'm going in with layering scissors and just adding texture to the bangs. I just kind of hack at them haphazardly. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just kind of hack away until I think it looks good, remembering to always keep my scissors pointed up vertical to avoid those harsh lines. I like that more grown out bang look. So I personally hate the way flat bangs look on me, so I'm taking a hairdryer to heat form the bangs around a round brush, kind of curl them. And after I heat them up real good, I'm going to flip the hairdryer over to cold because it's not the heat that forms the hair, it's actually the cooling down that holds the shape. Yep, that looks good. Taking a little teeny tiny comb, I tease the hair. I go layer by layer and back comb the hair to give that extra volume, and it actually holds the shape a little bit better than just heat forming. And I go back and forth between heating up the hair and teasing it until I get a shape that I like. It's a process. You have to be patient with this. You just gotta take your time until you get that shape you want. So once I got the shape how I like it, I'll go in and clean up some of the loose hairs or uneven bits, try and make it look a little bit neater. For this specific wig, I'm not super worried about it being perfect because the character I'm using her for, her bangs are super choppy and uneven anyway, but I still want it to look like an intentional mess. Styling bangs isn't too hard, it just takes a little bit of courage and a little bit of patience. That's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check the description for all my social media links, and yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Bye!